The Roblox down. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So the answer for this question is yes. Roblox already says that we are aware that some of you are having issues accessing Roblox. Our team is actively working on it. So you are not the only one who is having this problem. If you want to refresh it, it says something went wrong, please try again. So if you want to make sure that you are not the only one who is having this problem, you can just go to your Google and search for Roblox down and then go to down detector. And here you will find that many user reports problems at Roblox. And then if we scroll down, we will find a chart here. So the main problems are to the website, to server connections, and to gameplay. These are the last outage reported in the last 24 hours. And like I said, the problems are to the website, server connections, and a little bit to the gameplay. So yeah, guys, unfortunately, Roblox is having problems. But the good part is that you are not the only one, and the solution here is just to wait. So you'll just have to wait until Roblox fix this problem. If you too are having these problems, you can go ahead and comment down below. You can like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.